Best car battery jump starters provide instant emergency power, prevent roadside breakdowns, ensure safety, and offer peace of mind anywhere. My today's video is about top 5 best car battery jump starters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Noco Boost GB40. This compact yet powerful car battery jump starter is designed to handle real-world emergencies with confidence. Delivering an impressive 1000 amps of peak lithium power, it can instantly revive dead batteries, providing up to 20 starts per charge for engines up to 6.0L gas and 3.0L diesel. Its ultra-safe patented technology ensures spark-proof operation and reverse polarity protection, making it completely foolproof even for beginners. Beyond jump starting, it doubles as a portable power bank, quickly recharging smartphones and tablets, and it's self-recharging in just 3 hours. The integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, including SOS and strobe, is invaluable during roadside emergencies or night repairs. Despite its power, the unit weighs only 2.5 pounds and fits easily in a glove box. With rugged IP65 rated protection, durable clamps, and quality accessories included, it's a reliable, all-in-one emergency solution engineered for long-term dependability. Now our second product is Astro AI S8 Car Battery Jump Starter. This high-performance portable jump starter is built to handle demanding situations with ease. Powered by a 45C high-rate lithium battery and 37 Wh capacity, it delivers a strong 1500A peak current capable of starting 6.0L gas and 3.0L diesel engines, along with motorcycles, SUVs, pickups, and more. The Smart Boost mode is a standout feature, automatically detecting low voltage and enabling reliable starts even for fully drained batteries. Safety is clearly prioritized, with durable metal clamps and smart cables that reduce heat damage and connection issues. 8 layers of advanced protection provide complete peace of mind during every jump. Weighing just 0.95 pounds, its compact design is far more convenient than bulky lead-acid alternatives. Beyond jump starting, it works as a power bank and LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes, making it a dependable all-in-one emergency companion for any trip. Our third product is Guluith 3 Jump Starter. The Guluith 3 is a powerhouse designed for drivers who want reliability and versatility in one compact device. With an impressive 3000A peak output, it instantly revives 12V vehicles, supporting massive engines up to 9.0L gas and 6.5L diesel. The dedicated boost button ensures dependable starts even when the battery voltage is critically low, while its durable lithium battery delivers over 1000 charge cycles and performs reliably in extreme temperatures. What truly sets the A3 apart is its built-in air compressor, offering 5 inflation modes, 150 psi pressure, and rapid airflow that can inflate a Tesla tire in just 1 minute. As a 7-in-1 solution, it also functions as a power bank, flashlight, digital pressure gauge, and multi-purpose pump. With advanced BMS safety protections, a bright smart display, and an 18-month warranty, it's a complete roadside companion. Now number 4, Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter. This newly upgraded all-in-one jump starter and air compressor is built for serious performance and everyday convenience. Powered by a robust 88.8 Wh battery with a massive 4000A peak current, it can instantly start completely dead 12V vehicles, supporting engines up to 10L gas or diesel. Its integrated air compressor is equally impressive, delivering 45 liters per minute airflow to inflate pickup, SUV, and sedan tires in minutes, saving valuable time on the road. The 65W USB-C fast charging and 160W DC output turn it into a high-capacity 24,000 mAh power bank capable of quickly recharging phones, tablets, and other electronics. A powerful booster mode ensures reliable starts in low-voltage situations, while the ultra-bright 400-lumen LED flashlight with emergency modes enhances safety at night. With IP64 durability, 10 layers of protection, and reliable operation down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, it's a dependable all-weather emergency companion. And our last choice is Charmail Car Jump Starter 5000A. This ultra-powerful 5000 amp lithium jump starter is built for drivers who want fast, reliable performance in any emergency. Capable of starting massive engines up to 10.0L gas and 9.0L diesel, it revives cars, motorcycles, RVs, and even tractors within seconds. The simple, guided connection process with smart indicator lights makes operation easy and stress-free, even for first-time users. Beyond jump starting, it doubles as a portable power supply with dual USB outputs, keeping phones, laptops, and other devices charged on the go. Safety is a major highlight, with 14 layers of advanced protection including spark-proof and reverse polarity safeguards for worry-free use. Despite its immense power, the unit remains lightweight and compact. The built-in 800-lumen LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes provides up to 48 hours of illumination, making it a dependable all-in-one roadside emergency solution backed by a generous warranty. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.